Hey everyone, tell me honestly, when was the last time you actually checked your car instead of just driving it? Most drivers ignore maintenance until something goes wrong. Today, let's change that. I'm going to share simple car maintenance tips every driver should know, so you can keep your car running smooth and avoid costly surprises. Stay till the end and see if you're already doing these. Tip 1. Check your oil regularly. Your engine oil is like your car's blood. Low or dirty oil equals serious engine trouble. Check once a month. Change it on time. Question for you. When did you last check your oil? Be honest. Tip 2. Keep your tires healthy. Your safety depends on your tires. Check air pressure monthly. Rotate tires every 5,000, 8,000 miles. Replace them if the tread is too low. Quick. Question. Do you know how to check your tire pressure? Comment yes or no. Tip 3. Don't ignore warning lights. That check engine light isn't there for decoration. Get it scanned early. Don't wait until it's a huge problem. Tell me, have you ever ignored a warning light for weeks? Share your story. Tip 4. Check brakes regularly. Your life depends on them. Listen for squeaking or grinding. Feel for vibration when braking. Get them inspected regularly. Serious question, would you feel safe if your brakes felt weak? Tip 5. Keep fluids topped up. Your car needs more than just oil. Brake fluid, coolant, transmission fluid. Windshield washer. When was the last time you checked any of these? Tip 6. Replace wipers on time. Seeing clearly is non-negotiable. Replace wipers every 6-12 months. Don't wait for a rainy day disaster. Do your wipers leave streaks? Might be time to change them. Tip 7. Battery care. Don't get stranded. Check terminals for corrosion. Replace battery every 3-5 years. Listen for slow cranking. Ever had your car fail to start when you needed it most? Tell us. Tip 8. Keep it clean inside and out. Dirt and salt can cause rust. Wash your car regularly. Clean the interior. Protect the paint. How often do you actually wash your car? Be honest in the comments. Tip 9. Listen to your car. Strange noises, vibrations, don't ignore them. Address small issues early. Avoid big expensive repairs later. What weird noise has your car made recently? Let's hear it. Tip 10. Follow the owner's manual. It's literally made for your car. Service schedule, specific oil types, maintenance intervals. Do you even know where your owner's manual is? Go check. So that's it, 10 easy car maintenance tips that can save you money, time, and headaches. These aren't hard, just a bit of regular attention keeps your car reliable for years. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe for more simple, real-world car advice. Share with someone who needs a maintenance reminder. Before you go, answer me this. What's one car maintenance habit you wish every driver would do? Drop your answer in the comments. I can't wait to read what you think.